A restaurant owner shared with me the secret to one of the most sought-after salads. To start our salad, the first step is to finely chop half a red onion. It will add that special flavor that pairs perfectly with all the other ingredients. After chopping the onion, transfer it to a bowl. Now let's add a whole chopped tomato. Next, chop a quarter of a bell pepper. Cut it into strips and then into smaller pieces. The bell pepper brings a delightful crunch and a slightly sweet flavor that will make your salad even more delicious. Now it's time to prepare the cucumber. Cut half a cucumber in half lengthwise, then slice it thinly. But don't overdo the thickness of the slices. The cucumber will add a refreshing touch to the salad, perfect for contrasting with the other ingredients. Place the cucumber slices in the bowl with the onion, tomato, and bell pepper. The special touch? Mango. Now, my favorite ingredient, mango. Dice a ripe mango. The mango adds a sweet and tropical flavor that pairs beautifully with the other ingredients, creating a light and delicious salad. To finish the salad, drizzle some olive oil. Don't forget to add half a teaspoon of salt to enhance all the flavors. Mix all the ingredients well. This salad is perfect for a hot day, a complete and light meal. After mixing well, add shredded cooked chicken breast. The chicken should be cooked with salt and your preferred seasoning to add even more flavor. Mix again until the chicken is fully incorporated with the other ingredients. The recipe is ready. My rating for this salad is a 10, without a doubt. A delicious combination of fresh, light, and irresistible flavors. Now, I want to know from you. What rating would you give this incredible salad from 0 to 10? Comment below. If you also love quick and easy recipes, let me know in the comments. The salad is ready, and I can't wait to see your versions of this recipe. I'll head to the comments now to reply to each of you, thank you for sharing, and find out where you're watching from. Thank you so much to everyone who watched the video all the way through. See you soon, and I'll see you in the next recipe.